Hi guys, OFX here. Yesterday we had a thing on Bitcoin. We had a thing on Bitcoin, and we're looking for sales after a sweep, that kind of thing. I'm just so what our expectation ended up playing out. Our expectation ended up playing out, and here we are. We took waited for it to use the fair value gap to take the trade. So this is the high, a sweep of the high, right? A sweep, pull back, a sweep of the sweep that sweeps the high, then change the market structure. Normally it will now be it's supposed to be accompanied by a pullback, then a market structure shift, then break of structure, then we use anything to follow it all the way to the downside. This was what we drew yesterday, but guess what? We experienced something like that already. Like a sweep of the high, a pullback, a sweep of the sweep, right? That sweeps range high, right? Market structure shifts. See like that. Market just straight up went and broke structure. Look at that. Straight up went, broke structure. Pullback, we used to value gap, and then we are going to follow it to the opposite side of the trade of the range. As you can see, we didn't take any trade outside. We didn't take this trade outside of our trading style. No, we took it exactly with our trading style. What's our trading style? A sweep of the range low or range high, a pullback, a sweep again of the sweep, a sweep range low or range high, then a pullback, right? Market structure shifts, break of structure, we use fair value gap or OP, push like that. That's for buys, taking a buy from a low, and if it sells from a high, we it's for a sweep of If it's for this is for buys. This is for if we want to take buys. If we want to take sales, we wait for a sweep. We want to take sales, we wait for a sweep of the high, pullback, a sweep of the sweep that sets range high, some sort of pullback, market structure shift, break of structure, we use fair value gap or anything, take the trade and push to the one side of the range. Point is two sweeps, a sweep, pullback, a sweep of the sweep, right? Then market structure shift, then follow it, then we look for fair value gap. It's easy to follow it to the downside or to the upside. And here we experience exactly that. Here is exactly what we experienced here. It was exactly what we experienced here. This was range high, a sweep of range high, right? A sweep of range high. We got the pullback after the sweep of range high, then a sweep of the sweep of the candle, see, the sweep of the sweep of range high, then market structure shifts because now it's an uptrend, right? An uptrend. So an uptrend, still an uptrend, still here, still an uptrend because I mean it's an higher low, then higher high again, but then it comes and breaks this low, right? That was already a shift. That's a change in market structure, change of character, basically. So see, it came and it broke this low. Then I was like, okay, I think we can. Then as you can see here, we then use this fair value gap here to place our entry, SL just at the high. Usually, SL is supposed to be just at the high. Usually, this is where SL is supposed to be. Because if price comes and takes out this high, it invalidates our trade. It invalidates our trade for us. We don't really believe it. And there are times when it will just be something minor, right? When price is just right, when it could be a fake out, when it break out, it could be a fake out. That's why some people tend to use wide SLs, right? Because to them, they feel this is probably a, like, this could be a fake out, right? So let's spread the SL enough so that in case if it's a fake out. But for me, I don't really, I don't know. I don't like to hang around. I don't like hanging around to see what would happen. I don't like doing that. Anyways, yeah, we're just observing. We've taken our trade already. We've gotten our confidence. We've gotten what we want, right? And we've used what we want to take our trade already. So at this point, fingers crossed, we observe. At this point, fingers crossed, and we observe what price wants to do. You understand? Price pullback to about this even this entry is about the 62%. Is about the 62% of this swing movement. Sorry, it's just about 61.8% of the swing movement. And this region is probably this region is optimal trade entry, right? Because I mean, the higher the is it the number or the touch in fib when it comes to fib, yeah. Because now from here it will probably be a chill entry, where the entry is not be as strong as taking a trade from 50%, and it's not be as strong as taking a trade from 61.8%, right? So the higher, yeah, the stronger the validity, probably. I think that's the word. I don't know if that's the word. But yeah, this is this is optimal trade entry. If we're trading based off of fib, SL will just be here. If we're trading based off fib, SL would be here. This way would have put SL and leave the trade to do its thing. But yeah, since we're not doing fib trading, just going to put our SL where we think our SS should be at the high. And we do what we lock up, we lock up, we observe, we set our SL, we set our SL, we set our TP. We observe. That's all. That's all we have left for us. That's what we have left. So I'm really appreciating that price did not stretch out too much before it pulled back, because I mean there was still this place to be taken out. But I mean price never got there. So we're just observing. Just observing. This price that has been pushing up from this region a lot. Let's pushed up. Let's came back, pushed up. Let's came back again to around the same region. Let's use it to push up. Let's came back to around the same region. We experienced some form of push up. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see what's going. Let's see what would happen. We're just going to observe and see what will happen. That's our trade for today. That's our trade for today. Let's go observe. All right, guys. Keep you guys posted.